cautious, careful, thorough.
Opportunities and a lot of great things that'll help us.
Professional, they have professional attitudes. We know the expertise levels that Baker offers and that they bring to the table, you know, and it goes from everywhere from the people in the shop all the way to the people that are coming into our facility. When they come in, they're professional, they have professional attitudes, they come in, they're very knowledgeable. You know, they're experts in their field. We have our skid behind us that they've been working on for us.
Manufacturing facility in Ankeny is integral to making industrial projects successful. Build all the pipes, build all the supports, and then send them to site, and it'll be as if we're doing it next door.
We walk through it as a group. We kind of feed off each other, and both groups bring their expertise to the table. I would say that is another strong point of Baker, is their ability to listen and understand what our obstacles are.
I do believe people get excited and engaged when they're providing input to create the solution, because usually it's not one person, it's a group or a team of people. So it creates a relationship that goes on for a long period of time.
Another comment that I made to one of the employees here is about how clean the facility is. And a lot of that, when you look at the housekeeping, that directly ties to the safety. What we enjoy about working with Baker Group is that they share in that safety, you know, concern, is that we want to make sure we're doing everything as safely as possible.
Our number one value is safety. Providing a safe work environment is a value that we continue to drive through to make sure people understand how critically important that is.
Utilizing 3D technology has really provided some advantages. You can actually put things in there and embed things into that 3D model so that you can look at it to see what it's going to look like ahead of time. Using those 3D scans while you're in a meeting with someone really gives you the visual of what we're talking about, and being able to rotate through that equipment, look at it from different angles is definitely an advantage. So we're definitely feel like Baker is helping us and assisting us in using that technology to both of our advantages. You want to have somebody you know you can rely on. And I think that's what the relationship between REG and Baker is sometimes you get in those projects, you know you have to depend on that person to do what they say they're going to do and live up to their expectations that you have for them, and Baker does that for us.
The customer can expect the best. The employees within Baker Group expect themselves to do the best, and we expect the best out of our projects. We constantly are looking to help build relationships, so the easiest way to do that is you show the customer that they got the best bang for their buck.